Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cleaning my kitchen and getting things ready for spring. I hope you enjoy this video. After I get done cleaning my kitchen, I always like to start my diffuser, and right now I am using lemongrass and orange, and it just smells so clean.
You're the one to tell the people when they're wrong.
First day of spring, and I just wanna sing to everything that's moving, every single little thing. To them birds flying free, fish in the sea, flowers and trees, every little bumblebee. I wanna sing.
One of my favorite things to decorate is our chalkboard hanging above our coffee island. I will usually just Google chalkboard designs and find something that I like. I'll usually add my own special touch to it, and if it's something that I don't know how to draw, I'll Google step-by-step instructions on how to draw it. I am not an artist, but I do really enjoy playing around with different designs, and it really brightens up our kitchen when I change it for each holiday.
And my feet in the sand. I got 20 ducklings in a row like a little marching band, and they sing ooh, ah, ooh, ah, oh. To the couples in love and the seagulls above and any other living thing or creature I can think of, I wanna sing. I wanna sing. Just wanna sing.
you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
Now my kitchen is nice and clean, and even though it still looks like wintertime outside, it is springtime in my heart and in my kitchen now. It's so nice to have everything winter put away. Doesn't your home just look so fresh and airy when you switch out that winter decor and put out spring or Easter decor? It just brightens up the whole house and our moods, at least it does mine. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a video. I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.
Love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
Young ones come crushing down. They wanna feel the sun. Don't know what's in and out. They thought they seen the light. When you're closing in, you know you're done. Thought you knew